good afternoon everyone, welcome back. Okay, so this time I'm here at Kubu Anyar or Jalan Kubu Anyar, and this time I want to drive you to this area, and also later I will go to Kuta beach since the weather is good, and let's see the sunset, guys. And what is this? Yeah, a hotel, I think, Kuta, but I don't know if this hotel is open. Have you been to this hotel before? Probably is open, yeah. It's just quiet. Ah, it is dead end. I'm lost. I didn't really know about this area actually. So let's go to the other road to find a way to Kuta beach. Last time I saw a video about Kuta beach and there was like big wave and hit some of the local bars there in Kuta. So let's see today, the situation is probably much better now because it was like a few days ago, like a week ago, there was like a very big wave, and I think it's kind of like normal here because of the weather. Okay, so let's keep driving. And I don't know about the name of this street, but there are a lot of tourists. I know that they've been to this area because some of them, they are staying at Bakung Sari Hotel, like this guys. I think they are staying at Bakung Sari Hotel. And look at this hotel. This is Hotel Flora Kuta. I've been to this hotel before. It was a nice hotel. And we are arriving here at Jalan Bakung Sari. I wanted to go to Jalan Kartika Plaza actually, but I was lost. But it's okay. Let's go and keep driving. Wow, this restaurant is doing good. At this time is around almost 6 o'clock actually, and there are some guests there. Maybe they are having like early dinner, but look at the traffic jam here, guys, on the right side or on the street. It is quite bad. Let's drive slowly, but nice to see there are some tourists walking around here, even though it's not really busy or considered quiet, I think. But there are so many cars there. Probably local people also they like to come to this area. Kuta Beach Club, they have their hotel also. Anybody of you like to stay here? Ramayana Suites Resort. It is a very nice hotel. Okay, let's keep driving. Let's go to the right side. Well, look at the traffic jam here, guys. It's bad, but anyway, Kuta is always like this. This is the good things to drive scooter. You don't need to fall into the traffic jam like this. You can rent scooter. There are so many rentals here, but you need to be careful, guys, because you need to check if you want to rent a bike or scooter. You need to check the qualities, because I can see there are so many bikes. Hopefully the rentals, they treat the bike well, especially the brakes. There is no problem, but sometimes I see the condition is not really good. Most of the businesses around here are open, and on the right side there is even new restaurants, guys. It's Coco Bistro restaurant. Oh, they have a lot of restaurants in Bali. They have one in the Sanur, in Ubud, and now here. But look at the weather today. Unfortunately, it's cloudy. Hopefully, we can see a bit of sunset later. Pasar Senggol, Warung Senggol, Trantam Kuta. You can find Indonesian food here. But of course, that is not a real Pasar Senggol. Pasar Senggol, Senggol means, how to explain here? Pasar is market, Senggol is like you touching each other, guys. For example, like when the situation is really busy at the market, of course, when you walk, you will touch someone's arm, for example, right? So that is we call Senggol. Touching. I mean, it's not like in purpose, but when you walk, because of the busy, you will touch people's arms, something like that. So that is we call Pasar Senggol. I missed Pasar Senggol's food. Maybe next time I will go again and show you, of course. And this is Jalan Raya Kuta. And as you can see, surprisingly, as you can see, the street, is not really like, or considered quiet. But earlier there was like very bad traffic jam. Let's find a parking spot. Let's walk around at the beach, guys. And you can see a little bit from here as well. Quite a lot of people. And here is the Kuta bags. And if you go to the right side, of course, that is the Popis Lane one. Maybe next time I will go to Popis Lane 1 again. Last time I came to Popis Lane 2, it was very good. The situation is okay. There are quite a lot of tourists walking around there. Wow, look at the parking. Where can I find a parking spot? So this here, or maybe here. Oh, can we park here or no? Maybe just drive a little bit more. And here on the right side is Rosa FIFO. Not really busy at this time. Maybe we can go down here. Okay, let's walk around here. This is Kuta Beach, guys. Where do you want to go? To the right side or to the left side? And as you can see, the situations today is quite busy. There are so many tourists also here, which is good. But unfortunately, it's a bit cloudy. Probably we will have rain. And anyway, this morning also we get quite big rain, guys. But it was just like quick shower, like 30 minutes, and then suddenly gone. Let's walk to this part. But unfortunately, still there are some trash, plastics like that. It's not really good. The beach is quite okay. Let's just walk around and enjoy the vibes of Kuta Beach. Maybe I know some of you or a lot of you been to this beach, because Kuta Beach is kind of like the icon, maybe, from the south area of Bali. There are so many nice beaches in south area because Kuta Beach is very, very famous, especially for people that staying in Kuta. They will like to go to Kuta Beach. If you go to south area of Bali, especially if you love surfing, there are so many nice beaches like Dreamland or Padang Padang, Melasti Beach, and also Pandawa Beach.
Juga yuk, kelapa muda.
But I recognize in this area, the food sellers are getting more and more. Before it was not really busy like this. There are so many people selling food, not only drinks. Yeah, you can find a lot of food also here. Like this one, for example, guys. Like here. Look at the beach here, guys. If you walk down here, as you can see, there are a lot of stones. Look at that down there. So many stones. Have you been to Candidasa beach? When I see a lot of rocks like this and the sand is getting less and less, I remember with beach situations at Candidasa, guys, because now maybe we cannot find sands anymore there in Candidasa. So I hope Kuta beach, I mean the government will do something, at least it's not getting worse. Because this beach is kind of like I said, it's very popular and kind of like the icon of the beach in south area of Bali. So, what do you think about the beach, guys? You want to come here, maybe? Okay, so that's all for today's short video from this area in Kuta. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much, and bye now.